Welcome to Crafty Workshop Builds. Today I'm going to be showing how to remove the rear bumper on the R56 Mini Cooper, so stay tuned. I'm going to start by jacking up the car and removing the wheels. Now I'm going to remove the mud flaps. I disconnected the side marker lights, and now I'm going to remove the retainer clips from the wheel arch. I removed the Phillips screw from the side of the bumper, and now I'm going to repeat the process on the other side. These clips tend to break when you remove them, so make sure you have these replacement clips on hand. I will have the parts link for these clips in the description below. I removed the two Phillips screws at the top of the bumper, and now I'll remove the bolt at the bottom. To remove the bumper, there's a clip at the top towards the middle section of the bumper, which will require to lift up and over. And that's going to be it for this bumper removal. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.